Static reviews at the bottom of your page are useful, but only if your visitors scroll that far. What if you could guide them with social proof the instant they arrive on your site? That's the magic of the Toast widget. It's the discrete floating notification that appears in the corner, saying, "Hey, people love us." Today, I'll show you how to add this high-converting floating widget to your WordPress site using Shapo. It captures attention, builds FOMO, and installs in seconds. Let's dive in. First, access your testimonials within the Shapo dashboard. Ensure your testimonials are imported and tagged as you'd like for the widget. I've already created one here. Make sure to choose the Toast widget style. Customize the font, card color, border color, text color, title color, star colors, and initial colors to fit your brand. Check out the additional settings as well. Opt to display only a reviewer's first name for privacy. Explore the different animations like sliding horizontally and vertically, fading in, or scaling in. Take some time to see how it looks. Check the position, bottom left, bottom right, top left, or top right. If there's a chatbot on the right, consider the bottom left position. Adjust timing for the delay before the first display, how long each review appears, and the delay between reviews. Preview to see it in full. In Settings, decide which reviews to display in the widget. We've selected them with a tag, as you can see. Explore any extra settings you might need. Remember to save when you're done. Copy the code from here, or use the Add to your website button to copy the code. With that, use a tool like WP Code Snippets to add a new snippet. Add an HTML snippet, paste in the copied code, and set it to auto-insert in the site-wide header. Name it Toast Review Widget, or any name that will be recognizable to you later. Activate it and save the snippet. Now, when visiting the website, it'll load at the bottom. There it is, right here. That's how you add an engaging floating pop-up review widget to your website with Shapo. It's super simple and easy. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.